Before we begin the video, we want to let you know this is not financial advice, and the video is for educational and learning purposes only. Came across Polygon while digging deeper into crypto recently? I really appreciate it. Founded in India as MATIC network back in 2017, Polygon has boomed over the last 2 years. On January 31, 2020, one Polygon coin was $0.02. By December 2021, it had hit a current all-time high of $2.18. In this video, we'll be taking a look at everything you need to know about Polygon and whether or not it's a worthwhile investment for you in 2022. So without any further ado, let's dive in. Polygon is one of the latest cryptocurrencies to get people excited, thanks to its association with Ethereum. Polygon, formerly known as the MATIC network, is a scaling solution that provides multiple tools to improve the speed and reduce the cost and complexities of transactions on blockchain networks. It is one of the most ambitious cryptocurrency projects, which has a high potential for growth with the increased demand of NFTs, DeFi projects built on it, and is extremely scalable with a network speed of 7,200 transactions per second, which is absolutely insane. It is a token that has huge growth potential, and now might be the perfect time to jump in on it and invest in the project, but we'll see that thoroughly in a while. Polygon bills itself as a Layer 2 network, meaning that it acts as an add-on layer to Ethereum that does not seek to change the original blockchain layer. Like its geometric namesake, Polygon has many sides, shapes, and uses and promises a simpler framework for building interconnected networks. It's just like if you modify your car for better performance rather than buying a new car. People use Polygon when developing applications on Ethereum to create decentralized applications, smart contracts, and more, while combining all the good security features of Ethereum with the low gas fees and scalability Polygon allows. MATIC is the native crypto coin for Polygon, which kept its name from when the platform was called MATIC Network. That was a brief introduction of the coin works. Now let's dive a little deeper and see how it works. But even before getting to know the details, you need to have an idea of what an ecosystem is. A blockchain ecosystem is a group of various technological elements capable of interacting to create a system that performs a specified function. This system encompasses multiple governing structures like individual participation, data ownership, funding, exit and entrance criteria, and information shared with the system's participants. The blockchain ecosystem can provide true decentralization, immutability, transparency, accountability, and flexibility to day-to-day operations. Now, with that in mind, everything I tell you will give you a better understanding of the Polygon ecosystem. So, what are we waiting for? Let's dive in. Polygon's main chain is a proof-of-stake sidechain in which network participants can stake MATIC tokens to validate transactions and vote on network upgrades. At the core of the network is the Polygon Software Development Kit, SDK, used to build Ethereum-compatible decentralized applications as sidechains and connect them to its main blockchain. One of the ways through which sidechains can be built is Polygon Plasma. It is a Layer 2 solution on top of which developers can build dApps. Polygon Hermes or zk-rollup is another Layer 2 solution that also implements zero-knowledge proof and executes transactions off-chain whilst only submitting proof of validity to the main chain. Do not confuse it with Polygon Zero. Polygon Zero is a Layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum. The main difference between the two is the power of Plunky 2, which generates zk proofs faster than any other existing tech. Talking of Polygon Zero, let us tell you about Polygon Midden as well. Polygon Midden is Layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum. Midden relies on zero-knowledge technology to roll up thousands of Layer 2 transactions into a single Ethereum transaction, thus increasing throughput and reducing transaction fees. At the heart of Polygon Midden is the Midden VM, which is a virtual machine that provides a level of safety and supports advanced features that are not available on Ethereum. Luckily, there exists another solution for making sidechains as well. Optimistic Rollups, which is built on top of fraud proofs, executes the transactions off-chain, and only submits proof of fraud to the main blockchain whenever an invalid block gets discovered. When you are new in town, you have many challenges to face. So was the case with Polygon as well. Their biggest challenges included complexity of bootstrapping a decentralized and reliable validator set with well-designed coordination mechanisms, technical complexity of blockchain networks and relevant security challenges and concern, complexity and challenges of protocol-level token design, and complexity of choosing or switching between different architectures. To solve these challenges, the Polygon core team has designed Polygon Supernets, building on the success of Polygon Edge. Think of Supernets as Polygon Edge networks on steroids. Supernets are blockchain networks with several important characteristics that tend to make Polygon's life easy. Supernets are dedicated, they can be secured by Polygon's MATIC, they are connected with each other and Ethereum, they can be managed by certified edge partners, and they can utilize any scaling architecture. All problems are gone, just like that. Apart from Supernets, Polygon recently announced a veil. It's an important component of a completely new way on how future blockchains will work. A veil is a general-purpose, scalable data availability-focused blockchain targeted for standalone chains, sidechains, and off-chain scaling solutions. A veil provides a robust data availability layer by using an extremely secure mathematical primitive. Kate polynomial commitments are used to create a 2D data availability scheme that avoids fraud proofs, does not require honest majority assumptions, and has no reliance on honest full-node peer to gain confidence that the data is available. A veil solves the problem of data availability by taking a different approach. Instead of verifying the application state, it concentrates on ensuring the availability of the transaction data posted and also ensures transaction ordering. They already have launched a veil, and it really makes Polygon's worth even more. There are so many terminologies because I have a lot on my plate for you guys regarding this coin, so sit tight because you will have a lot to learn today. You might want to know about Polygon Nightfall as well. It is an optimistic rollup designed to lower the cost of privately transferring ERC-20, ERC-721, and ERC-1155 tokens. It uses an optimistic rollup to reduce transaction fees and zero-knowledge proofs for privacy. The optimistic rollup contracts are deployed on Ethereum. At Polygon, it is believed that putting people firmly in control of their digital identities is at the core of Web3's promise to empower users over networks. And finally, they have introduced Polygon ID, the self-sovereign, decentralized, and private identity for the next iteration of the Internet. What makes this new identity platform unique is that it is first ever to be powered by zero-knowledge cryptography. Polygon has made ZK a centerpiece of its strategic vision and has committed $1 billion to related projects. Moreover, the properties of Polygon ID include blockchain-based ID for decentralized and self-sovereign models, zero-knowledge native protocols for ultimate user privacy, scalable and private on-chain verification to boost decentralized apps and decentralized finance, open to existing standards and ecosystem development. Another framework which is worth mentioning is Polygon Edge. It is a modular and extensible framework for building Ethereum-compatible blockchain networks, sidechains, and general scaling solutions. Its primary use is to bootstrap a new blockchain network while providing full compatibility with Ethereum smart contracts and transactions. It uses the IBFT consensus mechanism, supported in two flavors as proof of authority and proof of stake. Polygon Edge also supports communication with multiple blockchain networks, enabling transfers of both ERC-20 and ERC-721 tokens by utilizing the centralized bridge solution. Talking of the bridge solution, it's important to know about the Polygon Bridges. A bridge is basically a set of contracts that help in moving assets from the root chain to the child chain. There are primarily two bridges to move assets between Ethereum and Polygon. The first one is the Plasma Bridge, and the second one is called the POS Bridge or Proof of Stake Bridge. Plasma Bridge provides an increased security guarantee due to the plasma exit mechanism. However, there are certain restrictions on the child token, and there is a 7-day withdrawal period associated with all withdrawals from Polygon to Ethereum on the Plasma Bridge. This is quite painful for those users who need some flexibility and faster withdrawals, and are happy with the level of security provided by the Polygon Proof of Stake Bridge, secured by a robust set of external validators. Proof of Stake-based assets provide security and faster exit with one checkpoint interval. There are few steps involved in using it, but I won't dive into those steps as they would take a lot of our time. But I would definitely dive into the development section of Polygon. Like any cryptocurrency or blockchain project, Polygon is unique. Hiring Polygon developers or implementing the best Polygon solutions in current organizations is difficult. You may have never written a line of code before, or you may be afraid of the syntax of a Python or JavaScript function, but you shouldn't disregard blockchain technology. Polygon developers, development firms, and developers must understand that Polygon is scalable by allowing for quick transactions of less than 2 seconds without losing decentralization. Polygon will enable stakeholders to choose block producers who generate consensus for Polygon. The second key aspect to grasp is how Polygon validates block producers' blocks and publishes proofs of these blocks. Anyways, as we always tell you about the dApps of the blockchain, we will do it this time too. Here are the 3 most popular dApps of Polygon. 1. Iotx. Iotx was founded as an open-source platform in 2017 with a vision for the Internet of Trusted Things, a decentralized ecosystem where humans and machines can interact with guaranteed security and trust. Polygon's mission is to ensure that everyday people and businesses can own and control their devices, as well as the data they generate. By connecting the physical and digital worlds, Iotx will democratize access to machine-backed dApps, assets, and services to deliver value to users and fuel the new machine economy. 2. Poly Network. Poly Network is an interoperability protocol for heterogeneous blockchains. Poly Network has implemented interoperability with 11 heterogeneous chains including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Neo, Ontology, BSC, Hiko, OKX Chain, Polygon, Elrond, Zilliqa, and Cosmos SDK. Since the launch, the protocol has enabled cross-chain asset transfer of more than $9 billion involving more than 180K addresses on different blockchains. 3. Commit Pool. Commit Pool helps you keep yourself on track by aligning your short-term and long-term interests. Hold yourself accountable by making a commitment and staking something valuable on it. Playing with Polygon is now even easier with the help of Polygon Wallet. Just download Trust Wallet for Polygon. This app works with several crypto tokens and blockchain wallets. With Trust Wallet, you are in control over your funds. Receive, send, store, and exchange your cryptocurrency within the mobile interface. When it comes to the cryptocurrency market, people can acquire passive income from staking their cryptocurrency assets. So how is it different from the stock market? Well, staking rewards are not related to the price movements of the cryptocurrency you are staking. This is because you will get rewards in cryptocurrency, not in fiat. Polygon is a serious project, and it has most of the elements that make a project a good, long-term investment. Therefore, staking Polygon could generate you lots of profits. The average APY for staking Polygon is 8%. More than 2.39 billion MATIC tokens are currently staked in different staking providers according to Polygon. So, how and where to stake Polygon? Staking cryptocurrencies is usually very easy. Most people use centralized exchanges for buying, selling, and trading cryptocurrencies. For example, some centralized exchanges to stake Polygon are Coinbase, Kraken, Binance, FTX, Gemini, and Huobi. But the question remains: how to stake Polygon? You just need to follow these 3 basic steps. 1. To buy Polygon, you can buy MATIC in both centralized and decentralized exchanges. You can buy MATIC using Binance, Coinbase, Crypto.com, Kraken, KuCoin, Waqtch, and other smaller exchanges. When buying MATIC through decentralized exchanges, you can use Uniswap. 2. Send Polygon to a staking provider. After buying, you will need to transfer them to a wallet. The type of wallet you use depends on the staking provider you choose. If you want to stake your Polygon in another staking provider, you should use a non-custodial wallet like MetaMask. Before choosing a wallet, please make sure that your staking provider supports the wallet you want to choose. 3. Stake Polygon. Now that you have set up your wallet, you are all set to stake your Polygon. The last step requires choosing a staking provider and connecting your wallet with it. After doing so, simply enter the amount of Polygon you want to stake and execute the transaction. Please spend some time researching the staking provider and check the link you are using several times. We say this because thousands of people are getting scammed repeatedly because they are not careful. Innovation is being done literally every second. We now have blockchain explorers. Say hello to Polygon Scan. It is a fast and scalable blockchain explorer for Polygon, powered by Etherscan. Blockchain explorers are one of the most widely used tools in crypto, drawing data from a blockchain and presenting the data to a user in a searchable and accessible format. Being power efficient in this era is of the utmost importance. You cannot afford to waste any resources. And Polygon very seriously takes this in regard. As per estimates, the biggest proof-of-work blockchains can consume a yearly quota of anywhere between 35 to 140 terawatt-hour of electricity, with a continuous draw-off anywhere between 3 to 15 gigawatt of electricity. Quite clearly, proof-of-work eats away a huge chunk of the global sustainable energy budget every year. In contrast, Polygon's validators approximately consume 0.00079 terawatt-hour of electricity yearly with an approximate continuous draw of 0.00009 gigawatt. You be the judge. Isn't Polygon more sustainable? Web3 has already reached a point where the next 12 to 18 months will witness a significant rise in more scalable applications, and Polygon will have a key role to play in making that happen. Polygon is building a complete suite of solutions that is similar to what Amazon Web Services offers Web 2 developers. For Web3, Polygon Proof of Stake already offers an execution layer with low fees and high transaction throughput secured by the Ethereum mainnet. We will definitely see a new wave of these decentralized applications and many Web 2 and gaming developers coming into Web 3. Probably we will reach a total of 100,000 dApps in the next year, which will mean that the network effects of these things will grow. The team behind Polygon include the co-founder Jainty Kanani, who is the current CEO of Polygon. He developed the project alongside Sandeep Nailwal, co-founder and chief operating officer, and Anurag Arjun, co-founder and chief product officer. The trio created Polygon in 2017. At first, funds from friends and family in Mumbai helped support the venture. But, while Polygon has its roots in India, the platform continues to attract investors from all around the globe. Polygon raised over almost $500,000 in 2 rounds of startup funding in 2019. Balaji Srinivasa, an angel investor, and Mark Cuban, the billionaire, are among Polygon's growing list of backers as well. You must be intrigued by now to buy this coin, right? Well, the Polygon price at the time of making this video is 0.61 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of almost 300 million USD. Polygon is up 5.29% in the last 24 hours. The current CoinMarketCap ranking is 18, with a live market cap of almost 4 billion USD. It has a circulating supply of almost 8 billion MATIC coins and a maximum supply of 10 billion MATIC coins, If you would like, we can only tell you the insights. The decision of investment should always be your own because this is your hard-earned money and crypto can be a little tricky with profits. And with that, we will wrap up. Tell us in the comment section what you think about Polygon. We hope you learned a lot about it, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press that bell icon so you don't miss out on any updates. We will see you in the next video with some more amazing information.